Jain friends, dear friends, today we are going to discuss of mathematics of class 10 chapter 6 triangle exercise 6.2. In this we have completed the question number till question number 5 we have completed in our previous lecture. Today आज हम question 6 से start करेंगे. In the figure A, B, C are the points on OP, OQ and OR. This is OP. On OP there is a point A, OQ there is point B, and on OR there are point C. So A, B, C are on the points are on the sides OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ, AB is parallel to PQ, AC is parallel to P, AC is parallel to PR. These two things are given. Okay, now we are going to prove that BC is parallel to QR. क्या प्रूव करने जा रहे हैं हम? BC, ये साइड BC QR के पैरेलल है. राइट, सो लेट अस स्टार्ट प्रूविंग दिस क्वेश्चन. इसको प्रूव करते हैं. एज वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द क्वेश्चन, till question number 5 we have discussed the application of Thales theorem. हमने Thales theorem अप्लाई किया. If this line is parallel, so their corresponding sides will be in the same ratio. So you just see, let's start. First of all, it is given that the given information AB is parallel to PQ. It means AB is parallel to PQ. So this AB and PQ, these two sides belong from which triangle? PO and Q. So we need to apply the Thales theorem in triangle POQ. Okay, so in triangle POQ we need to take in. So POQ, AB is parallel to PQ. Since AB is parallel to PQ, if AB is parallel to PQ, if AB is parallel to PQ, you just start with the point O. Therefore, OA upon AP is equals to, therefore, this is AB upon AB is parallel to PQ. It is given information in the question. Okay, so what you can write? OA upon AP equals to OB upon BQ. OB upon BQ by theorem 6.1. Okay, and say it is equation number 1. This is equation number 1, right? Now the second thing, what was given? AC is parallel to PR. This is AC is parallel to PR. So this AC and PR belongs to which triangle? OPRR POR, right? So now we have to take this triangle. In triangle OP and R we have taken. In OP and R, AC is parallel to, since AC is parallel to PR. Why? Because it is given in the question. It is given in the question. If AC is parallel to PR, AC is parallel to PR, so you can write OA upon AP is equals to OC upon CR by the Thales theorem, by this theorem 6.1. Therefore, you can write that OA upon AP equals to OC upon OR by theorem 6.1, and say it is equation number 2, right? Now similarly you just compare these two equations. In दोनों equations को compare करते हैं, right? So here OA upon AP equals to OB upon BQ. In the second equation it is also that OA upon AP is equals to OC upon OR. It means this part is equal in both the equation. So from equation first and second, what we are getting? As the left side is equal, then the right side of the both the equation must be equal. So from equation first and second, from equation 1 and 2, we get what we get? That OB upon BQ equals to OC upon OR. OC upon OR. This we got. OB upon BQ equals to OC upon OR. Now you just see where are these sides. OB upon BQ. This is OB. OB upon BQ equals to OC upon OR. OC upon OR means these sides. If these sides are in the same ratio, therefore this line segment in triangle OQR, this BC will be parallel to QR. Okay, so in triangle OQR, what will be? This BC is parallel to QR. And why? BC is parallel to QR by theorem 6.2. Right friends, any confusion in this question? If you have any confusion, so please you can ask your question. Okay friends, see the question number 7. In this it is given, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle, means this line L is drawn through the midpoint of this one side AB, means D is the midpoint, okay, and parallel to the another side, it means this line is parallel to this, means D is parallel to BC. These two informations are given there in this question. Then we need to prove that this line bisect the third side also, means this line bisect this third side AC at point E, means AE is equals to EC. We are going to prove. Okay, so the thing which is given, data we have to write. Data is given what? Given that in triangle ABC, D is midpoint, of AB, and D is parallel to BC. These things are given. ये आपके क्वेश्चन में दिया गया. Okay, now we are going to prove that. What we are going to prove that? This point E is also midpoint of AC. You are going to prove that E is midpoint of AC. Right friends? Okay, so let's start proving the question. See the proof. Right, so to start proof, we have to see this second information which is given, that this line is parallel to the another side, means D is parallel to BC. We have to use this information. So in triangle ABC, since D is parallel to BC, this line L or D is parallel to BC. Okay, since D is parallel to BC, therefore what you can say that by Thales theorem you can say that AD upon DB equals to AE upon upon EC, right? So AD upon DB is equals to AE upon EC. Therefore, why it was so given in the question, but why this you have written? By theorem 6.1, right? Sure. Now, since you know that since what do you know? You know that D is midpoint of AB. Since D is midpoint of AB, if D is midpoint of AB, therefore say it is equation number 1. So therefore, if D is midpoint of AB, therefore you can say what? You can say that AD equals to DB. Is it? AD is equals to DB. If AD is equals to DB, substitute in equation number 1. Right? Substitute AD is equals to DB in equation 1. We get what we get? AD, at the place of AD we are substituting DB. So DB upon DB once again is equals to A upon EC. A upon EC. Right? So since DB they both are equal, it is cancelled. So it will be equals to 1. Now cross multiply, what you will get? You will get that A is equals to EC. A is equals to EC. If A is equals to EC, A is equals to EC. So as you are getting A is equals to EC, therefore you can see that E is the midpoint of EC. So we can say that E is midpoint of AC, and this is our aim to prove, right? Okay, dear students, let's see the question number 8. Okay, in this question it's given that prove that the line joining the midpoint of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to third side. Means we need to draw a figure of this, right? So this is given that a triangle is, and in this triangle join the midpoints of any two sides of this triangle. Okay, so it's your figure, triangle ABC, right? Take the midpoint of AB and midpoint of AC. Say this is D and E, right? Join the lines passing through these two midpoints. Okay, so you just write down the data and to prove what is given in this question, that is in data given that triangle ABC, in triangle ABC D and E are the midpoints of AB and AC respectively. These things are given, right? Now D and E are the midpoints of sides AB and AC respectively. Then we have to prove that this line D, to prove what we are going to prove, that to prove it is that this line D is parallel to the third side BC. This we are going to prove. ओके, सो लेट अस प्रूव इट, इसको प्रूव करते हैं। राइट, चलो, सो एज गिवन, since D is midpoint of AB, right? If D is midpoint of AB, therefore AD is equals to DB will be equal। क्यों? क्योंकि D AB का मिड पॉइंट है। अगर D AB का मिड पॉइंट है तो ये पार्ट इस पार्ट के इक्वल होगा। AD is will be equals to DB। Just find the ratio of these। AD अपॉन DB फाइंड कर लेते हैं, तो इसकी वैल्यू क्या आएगी? ये तो दोनों इक्वल है, तो इसकी वैल्यू 1 आ जाएगी। से इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1। क्लियर हुआ कॉन्सेप्ट? सिमिलरली you just take this point E, since E is the midpoint of AC, similarly since E is midpoint of AC, E AC का मिड पॉइंट है। इफ E AC का मिड पॉइंट है, therefore AE will be equals to EC। AE EC के इक्वल होगा, and if AE is equals to AC, therefore the ratio of these two, AE upon EC, as they are equal, so also you will get 1। Equation number 2। From equation first and second you just compare, since AD upon DB is equals to 1 from first, and AE upon AC is equals to also 1 from second। Okay, so from equation first and second what we are getting the result? From equation first and second we get the result, we get what we are getting, this AD upon DB is equals to AE upon AC। Now ये रिजल्ट आते ही आपके माइंड में कुछ थ्योरम्स जो हम पढ़ चुके हैं वो याद आ रहे होंगे। AD upon DB is equals to AE upon AC। तो कौन सा थ्योरम आपके माइंड में आ रहा है? थ्योरम 6.2, which is the converse of theorem 6.1। So this theorem 6.2, it tells that if these sides are in same ratio, then this side D is parallel to BC। Understood? So therefore D is parallel to BC by theorem 6.2। Got the result? D is parallel to BC। अंडरस्टूड द कॉन्सेप्ट? कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? कोई कंफ्यूजन? वेरी गुड। Okay friends, see the question number 9. In this question it is given, question number 9, in this ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC। This is a trapezium, this side AB is parallel to DC। As you know that definition of trapezium, one pair of opposite side should be parallel। So in this one pair of opposite side is parallel and these two sides are non-parallel sides, right? AB is parallel to DC and the diagonals intersect each other at point O। Diagonal AC and BD, they intersect at point O, right? Okay, then we have to show that, we are going to prove that AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO। This we are going to prove, right? चलो दोस्तों, so you just note down the data। Data is what the information given in the question, right? ABCD is a trapezium, okay, ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC, and diagonals intersect at point O। Diagonals diagonals intersect each other, at point O. Intersect at O, right? Nice. This is the data. Now you are going to prove what we are going to prove. We are going to prove that AU upon BU equals to CO upon DU. ये हम प्रूव करने चल रहे हैं. So let us see. To prove this is we need to do some construction. और construction क्या करना है? Construction, you have to draw a line passing through this point O parallel to AB and DC. Since AB is already parallel to DC, so अब ये यहाँ से एक point हम एक line draw करेंगे from the point O. If this line is parallel to AB, ये line हमने construct किया. Okay? If this line is parallel to, say this point is P, so PO is parallel to AB हमने construct किया, so ये PO DC के भी parallel होगा because AB is parallel to DC. Understood? Okay, so write this construction part. Okay, so in the construction draw PO such that this PO is parallel to AB and this is parallel to DC also, right? This is parallel to DC also, right friends? Any confusion? Okay, now let us start the proof of this question. Proof देखते हैं अभी हम इसका. जब आपने ये लाइन ड्रॉ किया PO which is parallel to AB, so you have, as PO is parallel to AB, so in the triangle DAB you just apply this thing. Okay, so in triangle DAB, इस DAB में आपको क्या मिल रहा है? This PO is parallel to AB, और वो भी कैसे? बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन. आपने इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया है बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन, राइट? ओके, एज बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन PO is parallel to AB, therefore you can apply the basic proportionality theorem BPT or Thales theorem or 6.1. DP upon PA, what you can say? DP upon PA equals to DO upon OB. Okay, so we can say that DP upon PA equals to DO upon OB. इससे it is equation number 1. And how you have written? By theorem 6.1, या फिर आप इस theorem को basic proportionality theorem भी लिख सकते हैं. What you can write? और BPT, इसको भी बोल सकते हैं आप, बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनैलिटी थ्योरम, राइट? इट इज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. वंस अगेन, एज दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू DC ऑल्सो, आपको ये भी पता है कि ये लाइन DC के भी पैरेलल है बाई कंस्ट्रक्शन. ओके, चलो, नाउ इफ दिस PO इज पैरेलल टू DC, तो अभी पहले तो हम ये चेक करेंगे कि ये दोनों पैरेलल लाइंस किस ट्रायंगल में बिलोंग करते हैं. सो दिस PO एंड DC बिलोंग्स टू द ट्रायंगल AC एंड D में बिलोंग करते हैं. किसमें? सो नाउ वी हैव टू टेक द ट्रायंगल. इन ट्रायंगल AC एंड D लेते हैं. इन दिस AC एंड D, PO इज पैरेलल टू DC. ओके, PO इज पैरेलल टू DC, और OB कैसे? आपने इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया था बाय कंस्ट्रक्शन. क्लियर हुआ? चलो, अब ये ट्रायंगल देखो ACD. इन दिस PO is parallel to DC. So what are you getting the result? This AO upon OC. AO upon OC is equals to AP upon PD. Okay. So therefore we are getting the result. What we are getting the result? AP upon PD equals to AP upon PD equals to AO upon CO. Say it is equation number 2, and why? By basic proportionality theorem 6.1. Clear हुआ? चलो. Now you just see this equation number 2. This second को इन्वर्ट कर देते हैं ज़रा. इसको जब इन्वर्ट करेंगे सो वी विल गेट dp upon PA. This PD can be written as dp and this AP can be written as PA. इसको इन्वर्ट किया तो इसको भी इन्वर्ट कर देंगे. सो इट कैन बी रिटन एज CO अपॉन AO. अभी इसको इक्वेशन सेकंड ले लेते हैं. और ऐसा क्यों किया? बाई इन्वर्ट एंडो. इन्वर्ट कर दिया, इन्वर्ट्स रूल अप्लाई कर दिया. नाउ अभी हम इस इक्वेशन फर्स्ट और सेकंड को कंपेयर करेंगे. dp अपॉन PA इज इक्वल्स टू DO अपॉन BO. सो dp अपॉन PA इज इक्वल्स टू CO अपॉन AO. ओके. सो फ्रॉम इक्वेशन फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड वी विल गेट फ्रॉम equation first and second we get what we are getting the result, that DO upon BO equals to CO upon AO. But what we are going to prove, that AO upon BO means you can interchange this result. इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे सो दिस AO कैन बी रिटन एट द प्लेस एट द न्यूमरेटर ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन एंड दिस DO कैन बी रिटन एट द डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ दिस फ्रैक्शन. सो AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. Why? This AO brings this at this place and this DO brings at this place. Got it? So it is proved, our result. Hence proved. Now question arises, why this you have done? As you are cross multiplying ना, the same result it is. अब जैसे क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करते वही रिजल्ट ये है. Got it? Nice. So dear friends, I think this question you got it nicely. अच्छे से समझना, उसको रिवाइंड करना. नहीं अगर समझ में आता है so you can contact me. Right? Okay friends, see the question number 10. The question number 10 is given, the diagonal of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at point O. Is quadrilateral, this is a quadrilateral ABCD, इसके diagonals O पर intersect करते हैं at point O. Okay, such that this is also given, AO upon BO is equals to CO upon DO. So you have to prove that ABCD, this quadrilateral is a trapezium. Right? So let us see figure you are seeing. Write down the data. Data, what is that? ABCD is a quadrilateral. This is in data. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which what is given? In which AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO. This is given, right? You need to prove. What you are going to prove? आप प्रूव करने जा रहे हो that ABCD is a trapezium. ABCD is a trapezium means आपको क्या प्रूव करना होगा? That one pair of opposite side is parallel. ABCD is a trapezium. ओके. सो ABCD को ट्रेपेजियम कहने के लिए आपको क्या प्रूव करना होगा कि इसका कोई एक पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड, इधर AB या DC पैरेलल प्रूफ कीजिए या तो फिर AD और BC को पैरेलल प्रूव करते हैं। आ रही बात समझ में? ओके, चलो नाउ ABCD is a trapezium we are going to prove. So to prove this we need to do some construction. So draw a line PO in this such that this PO is parallel to AB. ये लाइन सेगमेंट हमने PO ड्रॉ कर दिया और ये PO किस तरह ड्रॉ किया, जिस AB की पैरेलल होना चाहिए, ठीक है। सो वी नीड टू राइट डाउन दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑल्सो। What we have constructed? Draw PO such that PO is parallel to AB. This type of construction we have done. ठीक है, चलो अभी प्रूफ स्टार्ट करते हैं। So to prove this, so we have to start with this construction. अपने कंस्ट्रक्शन से ही स्टार्ट करते हैं। This PO and AB belongs to the triangle DAB. तो पहले हम इस यही ट्रायंगल स्टार्ट करते हैं, इन ट्रायंगल DAB, इन ट्रायंगल DAB. In DAB, PO is parallel to AB. And how? By construction. हमने इसको कंस्ट्रक्ट किया by construction, right? Okay, as PO is parallel to AB in this triangle DAB, so by basic proportionality theorem you can say that DP, therefore DP upon PA equals to DO upon BO. Say it is equation number 1. And why? By basic proportionality theorem. By basic proportionality theorem. Okay, right. Now as the thing which is given, वहाँ से start करते हैं. So since what is given that AO upon BO equals to CO upon DO, ये दिया है, right? So इस पे हम क्या करते हैं, this DO we can bring at the place of AO and AO you have to bring there at the place of DO. इसको interchange कर देते हैं. So it can be written as DO upon BO equals to DO upon BO equals to CO upon AO, right? CO upon AO. Say this is equation number 2. Why this you have written? It was given. ठीक है, इसको हमने तो इंटरचेंज किया, क्या? इस DO को इस प्लेस पे रख दिया और इस AO को इस प्लेस पे रख दिया, और ये कैसे आता है? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई मेथड से, ठीक है। चलो नाउ एज दे आर इक्वल, ये इक्वल आ गए, ठीक है। तो अभी ये फर्स्ट और सेकेंड इक्वेशन को हम कंपेयर करते हैं। This first dP upon PA is equals to DO upon PO, और in second DO upon BO equals to CO upon AO. तो इस फर्स्ट और सेकेंड इक्वेशन में कॉमन क्या मिल रहा है हमें? We are getting the common DO upon BO is equals to, they both are common in this both the equation. So from equation first and second we get, from equation फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड वी गेट, हमें क्या मिल रहा है? वी आर गेटिंग दैट दिस DP अपॉन PA, DP अपॉन PA equals to CO upon AO, CO upon AO, DP upon PA equals to CO upon OA और AO. इसको इन्वर्ट कर दो ज़रा, So you can write PA can be written as AP upon DP can be written as PD equals to, this can be written as AO upon OC by invert endo rule, राइट इसको इन्वर्ट किया. ओके, एज AP अपॉन PD इक्वल्स टू AO अपॉन CO, ये दोनों रेशियोज इक्वल मिलने लगे. इट मीन्स दिस PO विल बी पैरेलल टू DC by converse of basic proportionality theorem or by 6.2. Therefore we can write down what we can write, this PO is parallel to DC also by theorem 6.2. okay, this PO is parallel to DC and PO is also parallel to AB. Therefore you can say that, what you can say, this AB is parallel to DC. If AB is parallel to DC, so it can say that ABCD is a trapezium. Right friends, so we have proved. Any confusion, अगर आपको ऐसा कोई confusion लगे यहाँ पे या किसी भी step में, so you can ask the question and complete your exercise in your